Safari was launched on Feb 22nd. We have driven it in January. You must have read the review on the website. In case you haven't, I'm putting the link in the description of this video and you can take a look there. Now this here is the Tata Safari Adventure Persona. This is the top grade version, even above the XZ. And there are a lot of things which are different from the regular Safari. So let me tell you what's new. First up, you get this Safari lettering on the bonnet, which is finished in piano black. You don't get this on the regular Safari. The chrome grille is replaced by, again, piano black finish. You get some more piano black trims here. Moving to the side, even the headlamp surrounds are in piano black, and what you see here, the bottom half of the bumper and the skid plate is finished in charcoal grey. Let's move over to the side. These 18-inch alloys are finished in charcoal grey again, but the design is same as the regular Safari. There's no difference in that. But this is quite a nice finish and looks quite sporty and sinister as well. Moving on. The mirrors are finished in piano black as well, and you have the integrated turn indicators. If you've seen our review of the regular Safari, the door handles do get a chrome blemish, but here you have a black bezel, which looks quite sporty and nice. The roof rails are finished in black all the way, including some piano black finishes here as well. And if you can see closely, the Safari lettering is in black as well, all the way here. Not much to differentiate at the rear, except that the Safari lettering is in piano black and the bottom half of your bumper is finished in charcoal grey. So that's what there is on the exterior of the Safari Adventure Persona. Now let's just take a look at the interior, what's different and what's new. So this is the interior of the Adventure Persona, and what you get is the Tata is offering Benecke Calico, which is a company from Germany. They have provided the interiors for this version. You get earthy brown interiors. If you see this upholstery here, it's a little bit darker than the oyster white shade you find on the regular Safari. This is a bit darker, so it is a little bit easier to clean. The white would have been a pain, as we mentioned in our review. And nothing much is different otherwise. You get this dark finish on the dashboard out here. The regular piano black finishes on the center console, the screen, around the gear console, little bit of chrome. That's it. There's nothing different as such in the front. Let's just take a look at the back seat. So this is the middle row of the Tata Safari Adventure Persona, and as you can see, there's nothing much different than the regular Safari except the upholstery, the earthy brown upholstery, just like in the front. And this is a 6-seater version with captain seats. The Adventure Persona is also available with a 7-seater configuration where you get a bench seat here. And let's just take a quick look at the third row. And it's quite a comfortable third row for full-size adults to sit. It's a properly usable third row. If you want to read more, you can check out our review on the website. And yeah, so that's the third row for you. This is the middle row. And yeah, that's it about the interiors of the Adventure Persona of the Tata Safari. So that was the Tata Safari Adventure Persona edition for you. I just showed you what all you get over the regular Safari. Price wise, the manual Adventure Persona comes to you at around 20.2 lakh ex-showroom, and the automatic is priced at 21.45 lakh ex-showroom. That's roughly around 20,000 more than the regular top-end Tata Safari, and in my opinion that's a small amount for the additional add-ons that you get, and makes the Safari, which is already a good looking SUV, look even better and sinister. Of course there's no 4-wheel drive, but that story is for another day. But if you want to get a Safari and you want it to look extra special, do go in for the Adventure Persona edition. I would, if I were you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do post in the comments what you think of the Adventure Persona Tata Safari, and subscribe to our channel we'd love you to do that, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. That's it for now. I'll sign off and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.